He's so cute. Mom. 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 He's so cute. He's so cute. Can we keep him? He's so cute. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. Hey, what's up, dude? Or maybe we can start throwing frisbees at him. Die!
Wait, Brian. He's just gonna come back now once we kill him. So we put this.
Why would he come back to where he's been jabbed 5,000 times? I'm gonna get him.
For some reason, that one can't have been born that many times.
I hit him. Aw. Oh, that does not sound good.
Yeah, Brick, that didn't sound good.
Yeah, I'm scared now.
I don't think
I'm
you
not
should
letting
do that
go.
again.
I'm not letting go.
Michael, like, do you little guy?
This will make a great picture for our camera.
Give me your broom.
Ooh, it's a little creepy.
Big one.
It's pretty fat. I need to get a different spot.